Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Keys TV. I am going to be doing a shoe unboxing. The new retro Air Jordan 3s just dropped, better known as the Wizards. Just got my pair fresh from the Mall of America. Got up there as soon as they opened up and grabbed my shoes. I didn't think that I was actually going to win them. I typically don't like going to pick up my shoes. About 8 years ago, probably 7.5 years ago, me and my niece were at the Foot Locker in Brooklyn Center, and we were standing outside for her to get her shoes that she raffled for, and they started having a shootout. 2016 Brooklyn Center Foot Locker shooting. You might even see us in some videos. Ever since then, I just felt like I would never go back to pick up any kind of shoes. I was real skeptical about getting my shoes from the Mall of America today. I didn't want to go there. I didn't want to have any kind of parts in it. And to be honest, I don't even like the Retro 3s. The Retro 3s is ugly. Very, very ugly. I'm going to give you guys the first look of these shoes. Before we get into this shoe, I just really want to get into this box. They got the red Jumpman on the front, the black box top, and the same exact design that is on the side of the Retro 3s. Air Jordan right there. Size 6.5, the bottom of the box. I am loving the bag. I have never picked up a pair of shoes from Foot Locker as far as when they dropped the same day. So it says House of Hoops by Foot Locker.
Loving the box. These is red bottoms. These is bloody shoes.
First look with the shoes in the box. The inside of the box is red. Let's just talk about the shoe because I do not like Retro 3s at all. Give y'all a little quick 360. This is the left side. The front got a Jumpman right there, and it's orange. And the orange little shoe holes, the inside of the shoe. This is so plain in here. It just looks so cheap and generic, but we're gonna get into that in a minute. Back of the shoe, Jumpman, it says Air. The bottom, it says Jordan. Then the inside of the shoe, just blue. The shoe itself is mostly white, and it got like that little cement gray. I don't never know what to call these the design for the shoe. The Jordan Retro 3s, I am not feeling this shoe at all. The only reason why I got this shoe, to be honest, is to add it to my collection. I have a couple of pair of the Jordan 1s. I don't have no 2s because those are ugly also. My very first pair of Retro 3s. I don't have no 4s, but I really love the 4s. But I'm going to get that pair that's coming out May 13th. Those are the Thunder black and yellow Retro 4s. I got some 5s. I got some 6s. I got some 7s. I had the 8s, but I really wasn't feeling them because they just looked it so bulky on foot. I have the Retro 9s on my foot today. I don't have the 10s, but I like the Retro 10s. I have a pair of Retro 11s, quite a few pairs of Retro 12s, and a pair of Retro 13s. I'm not gonna lie, this color's pretty. It says white, metallic copper. So it's blue, like a light gray, dark gray, white, and then it got that copper color on the bottom and for the holes. But we can get up close into the details. Got a little string here. I'm not feeling that. I don't really know what to tell y'all about these shoes, really, because I don't really like them. So I don't know what kind of shoe unboxing this is. It's just, the shoe just looks so plain. I feel like they could have did more in this space. Like, why is this space so empty? The back is pretty decent. I love like the front look right there. That's nice. What were they thinking? Listen, these shoes is just not it. I'm not even excited to do this video like I'm normally excited to do my other videos of my other shoes. A few days ago, I got this hoodie that will go perfect with these Retro 3s. It says Self-Love Club. That's definitely a fit right there. It says Happy, Unbothered, Discipline, Loved, Real, Not Perfect, and Glowing. In cursive writing right here says self-care is not selfish. And I just thought that this hoodie was so cute. Got it from Target for like $22. These look so big. I don't even know if I could fit the shoe. So we are going to try it on right now. I mean, they just look really big. Well, they're comfortable. They fit. You can't even see it. Dang. Dog. I guess you can, but they a little bit cute on foot though. Let me know if y'all cop these bad boy. Oh, that top view is sweet though. Look at that. That is cute. They just could have did some more with that. Like if you look at it this way, it's perfectly fine. That gotta go. That's ugly. The bottoms remind me of like Sega, Back to the Future. I probably would never buy another pair of these. They did have the purple Retro 3s, but they sold out and they only in a size 3.5 left online. I would have got those because those are my favorite color. But yeah, that is going to be it for this video. I don't held this shoe so long. Sorry, it wasn't a vibe for this video. That's all y'all gonna get. The Jordan Retro 3 Wizards, April 29th, dropped today. Got them today. 150 grade school kid sizes added to the collection. Thank y'all for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you cop those too. And I will see you guys in the next video.